Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the future of two-wheelers with clarity and detail. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180, a premium maxi-scooter expected to raise the bar for comfort, performance, and urban touring in the mid-capacity segment. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 carries forward the iconic Burgman maxi-scooter identity with sharper, more modern styling. The wide front apron, sleek LED headlamp setup, and aerodynamic body panels give it a commanding road presence. A sculpted seat, premium paint options, and refined chrome accents emphasize its luxury appeal, making it stand out among conventional scooters. At the heart of the Burgman 180 is an upgraded 180 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, tuned for smooth yet responsive performance. Designed for both city commutes and highway cruising, this engine delivers strong low-end torque and stable mid-range power. The refined CVT transmission ensures seamless acceleration, while improved engine cooling enhances reliability during long rides and warm weather conditions. Comfort has always been a Burgman strong point, and the 2026 Burgman 180 continues that tradition. The long wheelbase and wide seat provide excellent stability and rider comfort. Telescopic front suspension and a rear monoshock are tuned for Indian road conditions, absorbing bumps effectively. Large alloy wheels and improved braking setup offer confident handling and control at higher speeds. Suzuki equips the Burgman 180 with modern features to match its premium positioning. A fully digital instrument cluster displays speed, fuel efficiency, trip data, and navigation alerts. Smartphone connectivity, keyless ignition, USB charging port, and advanced LED lighting enhance daily usability. Safety features like ABS and traction assistance add an extra layer of confidence for riders. Despite its maxi-scooter size, the Burgman 180 remains practical for everyday use. It offers generous underseat storage capable of accommodating a full-face helmet, along with additional front storage compartments. The upright riding posture, spacious footboard, and windscreen make it ideal for long commutes and weekend rides alike. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 is expected to target riders looking for a premium, powerful scooter with touring comfort. Positioned above standard 125 cubic centimeters and 160 cubic centimeters scooters, it aims to compete with other high-capacity maxi scooters while maintaining Suzuki's reputation for reliability and refinement. The 2026 Suzuki Burgman 180 blends luxury, performance, and everyday practicality into one sophisticated package. With its powerful engine, advanced features, and comfortable ride, it is set to become a strong choice for riders seeking more than just a regular scooter. Stay connected with Bike Shift for more updates on upcoming two-wheelers.